In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to log into FilmZie with Facebook. If you are looking for a way to log into your FilmZie account with Facebook, then the process is quite easy. First thing to do is to open your FilmZie application from your app drawer and also make sure that you're inside the sign-in page. To get to the sign-in page, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right from the main home page, and you will be able to see this login or register now option. To continue logging in with Facebook, tap on the continue with Facebook button in blue. Simply go ahead and open your web browser or your FilmZie mobile application and get to the sign-in page. Once you are inside the login page, you'll need to now go ahead and click on this login with Facebook option. It'll then take you to facebook.com sign-in page. Now go ahead and enter your mobile number or your email address for your Facebook account so that you can connect your Facebook to FilmZie. After you are done typing in your email, type in your Facebook account's password on the next field, and finally tap on login. Soon after you are done, you will end up in the main homepage of FilmZie, which means you've logged into FilmZie with Facebook. So that's how it can be easily done within a few minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.